everyone, welcome to my channel Avashine. My name is Surbhi. Today we are going to discuss a high level diagram based puzzle for banking PU mains exams. But before starting, I request you to please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest video updates. Let's start. Please pause the video or take a screenshot of it and try to solve it once. Watch the remaining video after trying. See, certain number of persons are living in a society having different apartments as shown in the figure. This is the diagram. There are apartments like Gandhi apartment, Nehru, Patel, Subhash, Atal and Tagore. Each apartment has floors marked from bottom to top as ground floor, first floor, second, third, fourth and fifth floor. Only one persons live in each floor, in each flat. Some of the flats may be vacant. Persons adjacent to each other are either east-west or south-north to each other. Immediate persons that are neighbors can either be east-west or they can be south-north to each other. Fine. Now see the conditions. Firstly, write down all the conditions. G lives 3 places from J. G lives 3 places from J. It means G and J have 2 places between them. It can be like this or like this. Because it was given in the question that persons can either be east-west to each other or north-south to each other. Next है J who does not live in Tagore apartment. J is not living in Tagore apartment. Fine. Now R lives in one of the even floor of Gandhi apartment. So see, Gandhi apartment has 2 even floors. One is 2 and one is 4. So R can be either on floor number 4 or it can be on floor number 2. Now see next, T lives exactly between H and Q. T lives exactly between H and Q. It can be like this or like this. Now see the next instruction. L lives immediate southeast of Z. L lives immediate southeast of Z. If this is Z, L will be here. Immediate, the keyword is immediate. L lives immediate southeast of Z. If Z is here, then L will be here only. Z who lives 2 places above V. It means Z, one space, then V. Fine. Next, Q lives exactly between J's and L's flat. Q lives exactly between J and L's flat. Now there are also 2 possible cases. This is exactly between J and L. H lives immediate northwest from G. Immediate है. So if G will be here, then H will be here. But not in Subhash apartment. Now H can't live in Subhash apartment. Fine. Now next instruction. R lives 3 places from H. It means R and H will have 2 places between them. See the next instruction. F lives adjacent to B. It can be like this or like this. Either they can be north and south. B who neither lives adjacent to Z. B can't be a neighbor of Z. Now see the next instruction. L neither lives adjacent to R nor on the ground floor. Now L is not a neighbor of R. Also L can't live on ground floor. Fine. Now see the next instruction. W neither lives adjacent to H nor adjacent to Z. It means W is neither a neighbor of H, W is not a neighbor of Z. F lives 3 places apart from T. It means F and T will have 2 places between them. Now see the next instruction. S lives immediate below C and in southwest direction of C. Now S lives below C, immediate below C, but here the keyword is not written that immediate southwest direction of C. So it can be anywhere in the southwest direction. This is the southwest direction. See the next instruction. B lives 3 places apart from Y. It means B and Y will have 2 places between them. N lives immediate northeast to W. This is W, immediate northeast is this. So here will be N. W who lives just above floor of M. It will be like this. Now see the next condition. A lives immediate southwest of S. This is S, this is the southwest, immediate southwest. Now next, C lives 2 places apart from M. It means C and M will have 1 person between them. Now we have written all the instructions. Now we will fill these in the diagram. See, we have only 1 person placed, that is person R. Now we will find the information related to R. Yes, here it is the information. R and H have 2 places between them. If this is R, 1, 2, here will be H. In this case, 1, 2, H can be here, 1, 2, H can be here also. But it was given that H does not live in Subhash apartment. So H can't come here, H will be here. Now see, anything related to R and H? Yes, this is G will come here. See, here is a not place. We can't place G over here because there is no flat, no space. So this case will be rejected. Now related to R is L can't be the neighbor of R. So L can't be placed here. L can't be placed here also. Now see the next condition. What we can now fill. We have G. See, G and J have 2 persons between them. They have 2 places between them. If this is Z, 1, 2, J can be here. 1, 2, J can be here also. So 1, 2, J can be here. We have to make one more case. 1, 2, J can be here also. Fine. Now see, J and G are done. Yes, Q sits exactly between J and L. Now we have J, but we don't have L, but we already know that because it is already given that L does not live on the ground floor. If L is not living in the ground floor, then L have to come here. Q will come here as Q lives exactly between J and L. Fine. In this case, this is J, so L has to be here. Q will live exactly between J and L. So this condition is done. This condition is done. Now see what next. Now B and F are immediate neighbors, but we don't have any information regarding both these two, so we can't place. Now what we can place? Yes, Z, L. Here is L, here will be Z. Here is L, here will be Z. Now Z, one space, V, it will be like this or it will be like this. Fine. Now next is T lives exactly between H and Q. T lives exactly between H and Q. We have H, we have Q. This case will be wrong. T can't be placed between them. Now see, here it is H, here it is Q. T exactly between, T will come here, two places on the left and 2 places on the right. So T exactly between H and Q. So this condition done. Now see, F and T have 2 places between them. So here is T, 1, 2, F can be here, 1, 2, F can be here also. So we have to make one more case. Here it is R, L will not come here, H, T, V, this is Z, L, Q, J, this is G. This was Gandhi apartment, Nehru apartment, Patel, Subhash, Atal and Tagore. Now F and T have 2 places between them. This is T, F can be placed here. This is T, F can be placed here also. So this condition is done. Now see what is related to F or T or anything else that we have already. Yes, F and B are neighbors to each other. Now if this is F, this will be B. This is F, this will be the B. This is also done. Now B is not an immediate neighbor of Z. Here B is an immediate neighbor of Z. So this case will be rejected. This case will go. See the next. W is not an immediate neighbor of H. We have H. We can't place W here. We can't place W here. W is not a neighbor of Z. W will not come here. Also can't come here. Now see which instructions are left. B and Y have 2 places between them. This is B, 1, 2. This will be Y. This is done. Now see, we have to place these ones now. This was not immediate. Fine. If we place S here, there is no place for C. We can't place S in Subhash apartment because there is no place vacant to place letter person C. Fine. If we place S here, C will come here and C and M has 1 place between them. So if S will be here, there will be M, but we want 1 place. M will be immediate below W, but there is no place to place M. So this case we can't write. Fine. Now see, if S will be here, C will be here or C can be here. If C is here, C dash M. No, here it is Z already. If this is S, this is C, C dash M. Note, this is not possible. Now see, if this is S, if this is S, if this is C, C dash M. Not possible. if this is C, C dash M, but we need W to be placed immediate above M. So there is no place left for W. If we place S, C here, C dash M, this is also not possible. So how can we place C? If we place C here, S, C, because it was given that it was not an immediate, na? So C can be placed here. If we place C dash M, C and M has one vacant place between them. Fine. Now W is immediately above M. Immediately above M, W will be placed here. Now, yes, we have S and A will come here. Now C, N. We have W and N will come here. Yes. So this is how we can place all the persons of the given puzzle. So this is the final solution of this question. I hope you like this puzzle. Now you should start practicing more for the mains levels, as notification can be out anytime now. If you like this puzzle, then please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest video updates. If you have any query, feedback, you can write it in the comment section, or you can email me at the email ID given in the description box. Thank you for watching my video.